Good morning, my little juicing beauties. Today's juice recipe I am naming caps and gowns in lieu of the upcoming graduation ceremonies for anyone and everyone who is graduating. This juice mix yields roughly 6.5 cups and is made with 4 basic ingredients. They are 1 whole cantaloupe, not including the rind, of course, 2 apples, 2 pears, and 16 ounces of strawberries. I love the strawberry smell when they're being juiced. And now for the taste. I bumped into the cabinet. This tastes amazing. And if you want to try it, let me know what you think of it. And as always, thank you for watching. If you have questions, comments, or suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. You have a blessed day. Peace out. And congratulations to all who are graduating this 2013. Bye.